All right, so what I'm going to do today is cover this with a red cover, and then I'm going to paint the chrome with plastic dip. It's a red plastic dip. What I bought was this. I bought this for $10 online. All right. I mean, there's another supplier that sells the whole plastic button. You can take the whole thing out, and they're like $25, but they're out of stock. So I said, well, let me try this and see how that works. It has adhesive behind it. I don't know how long that's going to last, especially with the heat, but I'll try it. If it comes off, I can always glue it with crazy glue. All right, but it has the same lettering as the original engine start stop, and the light goes through there. So let me take off the chrome so that I can paint it. I got this tool from I don't know, something I did. I think it was for the Apple Watch to change the battery. So nice little tool, just a prying tool. So you just gotta it should come right off. Yeah, see, just comes right out. There. See, comes right out. And then when you put it back in, you have to line up this thing here. Line this up, okay, with the piece over here. I mean, it won't fit unless you put it in the right way, so just got to be careful with that. So let me go and paint it. I might take this out so that I can line it up really good, but I'll see how hard it is to take out. All right, but let me put it on a piece of foam, and then I'll spray it, and then I'll come back. So here it is. I'm going to spray it with some red plastic dip, and it's almost a match. It's close. Thing is, if I don't like it, I can always peel it off. So I just cleaned it with some alcohol just to get the oil off and, you know, the dirt and the grease, so it'll stick good. Just spray it on lightly, and you know, see how the match is. If I don't like it, I'll just peel it off. So I'm in the truck now, and I got the lights on so that I can place the sticker on it and match the light coming through the holes of the cover. It's gonna be a little tricky because I have to take the cover for the glue sticky tape and place it on there perfectly. So I'm trying to figure out how to do that. Might have to figure out a way to hold it, but yeah, I mean, it doesn't have to be super perfect, but I would like it to be. So I'm gonna try it and see what happens. All right, so the tool that I made didn't work. It's too thick, it wouldn't go under the button. I was able to take the button out, okay, by putting the screwdriver under here and pulled it as much as I could, and then with this here, let me see if I can show it. With this, I was able to just pull it, and it popped out. You got to be careful because these little tabs can break if you're not careful. So if you kind of like pry it out with the small screwdriver from the bottom and then pull it with something, you can, mine popped out. So what I'm going to do now is go to the bench and put a flashlight into here from the bottom, and then I can see what the light coming through it, and I can just drop this on top of it. So let me go to the see, this will, hopefully I can go on the bench and line these things up, line the letters up. I think if I put a flashlight under it, I can see a little brighter. So let me go over there and try it. So what I did was put the button on top of the flashlight. See how it's not as bright? And then I put it on top of there, and you can really see the letters now. So I'm hoping it'll hold there, and I can just drop this guy down. And also when I press down on the, see if I line it up carefully. You see? Oh, it kind of pops right in there. Wow. And I can push down on it because the button won't be going in and out. So I can press on the plastic or the glue, double stick tape a little bit better. Look at that. That's perfect. Hopefully I can do that when I take the cover off the tape. Well, let's see. So I clamped the flashlight down to the bench so it doesn't move. Okay, and this way I can put the button right on top of it, and it's nice and bright. All right, I cleaned it with alcohol. All right, so now it won't move, and I can hopefully place it there perfectly. So there it is. I put it on. Not bad. It's not 1000% perfect, but really, really good. You can hardly see any that it's not aligned. That's not bad. Yep. So it's glued on. Yep, it's glued on. So, and it's easy to press on when you got it on the flashlight like that. It's easy to press on. So yeah, there it is. So I'm gonna pop it back into the truck and see what it looks like. All right, so I'm gonna put the ring back on, and you have to match up some of this stuff. So this here, okay, goes over here in this slot, and then this guy right here goes into this slot right here. There's a little piece sticking out that goes in between this. Okay, so it's what, 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So this is 3 o'clock, and this is 9 o'clock. Same thing here, 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. All right, and just push it back in. Let me do that with my 2 hands. Put that back in. Now, so there it is. With the ring around it, I painted. Not too bad. It's red. So the other part is shiny because it's aluminum. But match the letters pretty good. Yep. Looks nice and yeah, it looks nice and even. So that's it. That's how you do it. A little bit of a pain in the butt, but not too bad for $10. I mean, since the other button you can't find, it's out of stock. They're talking about 6 months to get more. So if you don't like this, then you can buy the other one. Oh, there it is, off. Okay, let me open the door, and it turns on, and yeah, not bad. For $10, let's see if it holds on. If not, I can always glue it with some crazy glue, a couple of drops. So it looks pretty nice. So that's it. Thanks for watching.